Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the color match feature on CapCut to extract coloring from a picture and apply it to your videos. So this is the video that I want to edit, and here I'm going to click on adjust and use the color match. So by clicking on the color match, you need to find the source. So the source in here is a picture where you want to apply its coloring. So click on the source, and here you can select a from video, or you can also upload it. Okay, I'm going to upload it and find it. So for example, I'm going to use coloring maybe on this, okay, on this photo, this one. Click on the photo or picture. Here you can adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 100. Now click on the check icon, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.